Previous month, Vivo has just launched its Vivo V19 in India as well as in global. But now the rumor and leaks is coming that Vivo is going to launch its Vivo 19 in Nepal also in coming this week. So here are some of the specification of it which I am going to tell, and let's start.
A 6.44-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, and it also supports in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset paired with Adreno 616 GPU. The device packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. And there is also a dedicated microSD card slot for storage expansion. As per the camera, the Vivo V19 features a quad camera setup on the rear in a squarish module including LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, there is dual 32 plus 8MP cameras at the front under the pill-shaped hole punch. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on FunTouch OS 10 out of the box. The smartphone comes backed by 4500 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support, and it also has liquid cooling system that reduces the phone temperature in extreme conditions. Additionally, the company has also added Multi-Turbo 3.0 technology for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.64 by 75.04 by 8.5mm and it weighs around 186.5 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. At present, Vivo is yet to announce the pricing and availability details separately for each region. But according to previous report, it suggests the smartphone to price around 25,000 rupees in India for the base variant. And it will come in sleek silver and clean black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V19 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolver YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.